What's up, everybody? My name is Vincent. Welcome to Cryptolution, where we talk about everything under the moon in the crypto universe. Today is Tuesday, April 25th. Now, in today's video, I want to talk about a meme coin. Now, we do know that in the cryptocurrency market, meme coins tend to be very speculative. You can either make a lot of money or you could lose a lot of money. And it's really hard to determine if any meme coin is the right investment. But again, I want to share with you on this channel around one meme coin because honestly, I'm not trying to push financial advice because this is not financial advice. This is just my opinion. This is just for your own entertainment. But after doing a little bit of research around Bonk, I'm like getting all the vibes around Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, even Floki, around this one altcoin, which is Bonk. Now, I want you to watch this video throughout its entirety and stick around to the very end to hear my conclusion and statement. The reason for that is I just want you to know to invest wisely. If you do not watch this video throughout its entirety, you may miss something that may be essential for you to making sure that you make the best investment decision for yourself. So with that said, be sure to like up that button, subscribe to this channel, don't forget to join our Patreon page, and most importantly, please be careful with any of the scammers down in the comments below. I will never reach out via WhatsApp, Telegram, direct messaging, or email, so please be careful and invest safely. So guys and girls, let's just get right into it. So the first thing I wanted to show you is when you go to CoinMarketCap and you look up meme tokens, these are the meme tokens that have the largest market cap. And the reason we're looking at the market cap is because the token that I'm about to show you, we're going to compare that market cap to these market caps. So Dogecoin right now is at around $10.9 billion. Shiba Inu, $6 billion. And then the third meme token, $359 million. So there's a huge gap in between them. So Bonk Token, which I'm going to bring up in a little bit, I think is the meme token of Solana, right? So we have Dogecoin, which is its meme token within its own blockchain, Shiba Inu, which is the meme token within its own blockchain. So that's why I want to share with you this meme token, because again, the market cap is very important. So let's look at the Bonk token. Now, Bonk, again, like I said, is the meme token of Solana, but the market cap is 34 million. Why am I showing you this market cap? Is because I really do believe that we're really early. So I remember when we were at the very beginning of Bonk Token, really low at these price levels right here, and then we experienced that major pump and then a major drop. You must be wondering, will it ever come back to those levels? Again, we have to actually wait for the next bull market for cryptocurrency because I think that right now, getting in early for a meme token like this could be really good. Again, just my own opinion. Now, with investing in prices like this is like investing in Dogecoin, investing in Shiba Inu way before it reached into the billions of dollars. You have to buy coins when they're very low, and that is a huge risk because you don't know if there's going to be much upside. And you really have to determine how much you want to invest. Is it going to be $100, $1,000? Definitely don't invest a house or a mortgage on it. Don't invest your life savings into it because we hear those stories about people losing their life savings and their lives are ruined. Only invest really what you can spend or what you're willing to lose. And what does that actually mean? Because everybody talks about it. Really, it's what you would spend on dinner or what you would spend on going out for groceries. That's the amount that you should only spend, right? So it should be like a couple $100, maybe even less than that. Because again, I think that's all you really need to have exposure to this. And if you lose that amount of money, it's not like your life savings. So keep that in mind. Now we gotta look at the charts because I want to show you something that's really crazy. We are now above the EMA ribbon and then we drop below that. But there's an interesting thing that I want to point out here is that once we broke above that EMA ribbon, that was the first time in a while that we've seen that happen. And I want to show you something else. So back in March 10th of 2023, we experienced what we saw was the actual bottom, actually just based on this chart. But ever since that bottom, we have gone into an uptrend to the upside. As you can see here, we actually formed higher lows, which is right here, here, and here, and higher highs, which is here and here. So now we're starting an uptrend to the upside. But as you can see, we broke below that EMA ribbon, and now we're at this very point. But the relative strength index actually showed us that we actually experienced a lot of accumulation. And even right here, if we look at the MACD, you can see that there's a lot of green candlesticks for the first time in a while, considering that the past we've been just in the red. So could this be the initial heads up that we're going to experience another bull rally for the Bonk token? And could this spark more interest within the community of not just Bonk or Solana, but other blockchains, other investors to ape into something like this? This is why I want to show you this. Let's just not talk about that, because there's a reason why people flock over to Bonk, why people buy the Bonk token, but also around the NFTs as well. Now, we do know that in the NFT world within Solana, we have something called the Mad Labs. Now, Mad Labs is an NFT collection that's fetching for way more money, like millions of dollars in trading. In fact, it has more trading volume than most Ethereum projects. And so I just want to share with you that someone made a tribute to the Bonk token and to the Bonk ecosystem by creating a dog within its own NFT. And also, keep in mind, EV.io, which is pretty much a tournament shooter game, and really focuses on esports and trying to bring Web 2 and Web 3 together within esport gaming, decided that they're going to create an avatar for the Bonk token. Again, there's like this huge movement within Bonk that is more than just the token itself. And I think this is really cool. I think we have to see things more than what Dogecoin or Shiba Inu could have ever offered with their token, because I did not see adoption like this with their tokens. But with Bonk Inu, I'm seeing that. And also, if you don't know Bonfita, it's basically a website where you can buy your Solana domain name. So I even have a domain name for myself, which you could buy for $26, depending on which name or service you want. I see people buying Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Tesla. I mean, you can imagine whatever that may be, people buy those domain names and you would own all those rights. Well, Bonfita decided, we're going to accept payment in Bonk tokens if you want to buy your own .sol domain name. Again, people are finding ways to accept the token's worth because, again, people see value in accepting Bonk as their own currency. So that's really cool. And now let's not forget, we also have the Bonk NFTs. Now, the Bonk Z NFTs is not affiliated with Bonk Inu token. They're completely separate entities. But again, this was a movement that started because of the Bonk Inu token, because the Bonk Inu token actually brought Solana back from the dead after the whole FTX fraud scandal. And Bonk Inu token ended up getting a lot of people interested, and that's why you saw that really huge bull rally in the very beginning of the Bonk Inu token's birth. So obviously the Bonk Z token, or the NFT collection, has absolutely taken a dip, especially that this used to be around 15 Solana or higher, is now around 0.5 Solana, which is roughly around maybe less than $10. So again, really cool to see that this is still happening. And also, if we look at the floor price around the NFT collection, we can see that it actually broke out of its trend. And we saw this green candlestick actually break out of the downtrend and is now hovering above the support line around 0.4 Solana. And you can see in the relative strength index, just like the cryptocurrency with Bonk Inu, we're just seeing a massive amount of strength with renewed interest within just the Bonk Inu token, but also the NFT collection. So it's crazy to see those two things in revelation of this. Now, with that said, what are you going to do? Now that you've seen the chart for both the token, for Bonk Inu, and the NFT collection, we're seeing renewed interest in this. So are we really early on with this Bonk Inu token before the bull rally, or do we expect more downside? Well, that's up for you to decide. This video is just supposed to be educational and informative for you. We do not give financial advice to anybody out there. Remember, never invest more than what you're willing to lose. This is all speculative. Right now, we're in a seller's market. Right now, we're in a mini bear market. Who knows when the next bull market is going to be for cryptocurrencies? But again, this is just my opinion. So with that said, if you want to see more videos around Bonk, or especially the Bonk NFT collection, please leave a comment down below, both on YouTube or Twitter, and I will read those comments as well. So with that said, be sure to like up the button, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to join our Patreon page to receive all of our alpha calls on both NFTs and cryptocurrencies. Until then, we'll see you guys and girls next time.